President is yet to denounce the actions of a supporter who is facing homicide charges for allegedly killing 2 protesters. Listen to how they word this. Trump has not denounced the actions. Why? Why would he? He doesn't. Kid's innocent until proven guilty. That's another thing. Where'd the presumption of innocence even go? It's dead. It's dead. The presumption of innocence has been killed harder than a pedophile in Kenosha. Did we all forget? I mean, I know many people did. Kyle is innocent until they prove him guilty. There's an investigation that needs to go on still, Berg said, and to support the vigilantism. It's beyond me as to why somebody in a position of leadership like that would support anything like that. Law and order. It's order. Vigilantism? First of all, it's not vigilantism. It's not vigilantism. At least not in the way most people understand it. But it's order. It's making a polite society. That's a nice car dealership. Be a shame if anything happened to it. Well, if anything does, I have buckets of water and a big fucking rifle. Well, there you go. We'll be moving along is what should have happened. Go burn down the next car dealership. Or whatever. Berg also told CNN he thinks there's potential that the president could potentially be encouraging vigilantes. We had a few folks in our community pushing for folks to come armed. And that's just on a small level. Talking about the president doing that? Absolutely. I think there's some potential there. That's a weird set of quotes. Who is this guy? Oh, that's the Kenosha County Supervisor, Andy Berg. Great. It's not about unifying that community, NAACP president says. Look at the people they're interviewing. Derek Johnson, the president and CEO of the NAACP, says he thinks President Trump's visit to Kenosha, Wisconsin today was not about unifying that community. It was to accelerate a campaign platform to try and get reelected. Yes, of course it was. Yeah, Trump did a political thing to be political. Welcome to it. And that's unfortunate because we have lost lives in that community. They weren't lost. We know where they went. We have 3 individuals who've lost their lives senselessly. And we've got to address that. Who's the third? Who lost their life in Kenosha other than the 2 scrubs that got shot? Does anybody know who the third body is? Johnson was responding to comments made earlier by Trump when he was asked during a roundtable during his Kenosha visit if he believed there's a problem with the U.S. with systemic racism. Trump also answered for a pair of black pastors in the room when they were asked if they think police violence is a systemic issue. Oh no! Trump, white president splained black pastors apparently. Blake's not dead. Blake's alive. He's still alive. I was going to say he's alive and kicking, but he's not because he doesn't have, his legs don't work anymore.